In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your project on CapCut on PC. Now this will work if you're trying to share your project with another person and keep all of the media files inside of that project. This will also work if you're trying to move your project from one computer to another computer. So what you need to do is open up CapCut and open up the project you want to share. Now you need to look in the details section of your project and you need to take note of the name. So the name is 0814 for my project. You also need to take note of the path. So these data points are going to come in useful when we're sharing the project. Now what we need to do real quick first is go to modify, which should be on the details panel. Now inside of modify, make sure you've got imported media selected to copy media to project. So it will be on stay in original location by default. Go ahead and change it to copy media to project. Then click save. That will copy all of the media inside of your project to the project location. Now, what we need to do is find the project location. Now by default, it will be in the app data location. You may have moved it, but the chances are it's going to be default for you. So go to your Windows icon here, go to search, type in %appdata%. Then go ahead and click enter. So if it takes you to the roaming section, just go back once to app data. And we want to go app data, local, then find CapCut. And what we're really doing here is following this path. So we've gone app data, local, CapCut. Then we need to go user data. Then we'll need to go to projects, and all we're doing here is finding that project. Then go to the next part of the path. So for me, it's lveditor.draft. And then we need to go to the project name, which is 0814. You can then go to this, right? And what you want to do, this includes all of the files and everything to do with your project. You want to right click on it and go ahead and copy it. Now what you can do is you can put this onto your computer somewhere safe. So I'm going to paste this into a week 39 folder. You can put this onto your desktop, just somewhere that you can access it easily. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can get this project onto a new computer or how you can send it to someone. So for the sake of the video, we're going to close out of this CapCut project. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to delete this fully from CapCut just to show you that you can restore the project. I'm going to go ahead and check it and we'll delete it from trash as well. So delete all. My project now is 100% gone from CapCut. So now what we need to do, we need to go ahead and send this project to either the other person or we need to back it up so we can put it onto our new computer. Now to do that, what I would do is I would right click it and I would just go ahead and compress it into a zip file. To do that, just go compress to zip file and you can zip it up. You can then send this via Google Drive or by any online service, or you can put it onto an external hard drive and give them the external hard drive. Now, if you wanted to access this file again and access the CapCut project, all we need to do is put this back where we got it from. So you would right click on the folder and make sure you would right click on the actual folder and not the zipped folder. Then you need to head over to the location where it belongs. So in our case, that is %appdata%. Then remember, we need to go to app data. We need to go to local. We go to CapCut. We'll then go to user data. We'll then go to projects. We'll go to .com lveditor.draft and we'll paste it into this section here with all of the other projects. And this folder is going to include all of the project files. And now when you paste it in, you can see the project will appear inside of CapCut. You can open it and it should include all of the project files. So let's wait a second. So here are all of the project files, and that's how you can essentially share your CapCut project. So I hope that quick video did help you out.